Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you over 30 leaf doodle ideas for bullet journal. If you are a bullet journal junkie like me, or if you love a simple art, then I'm sure you will enjoy this. So let's begin. Do you know that art is also a way of mental healing? Once, the world famous artist Picasso said, "Every child is an artist." Though we are grown up now, but there is an inner child within every one of us who wants to express through art. Now, when I say art, that doesn't always mean drawing, sketching, or painting. The word art itself is a big universe. Many great art forms like writing, journaling, cooking, dancing, singing all live happily ever after under same definition. Often people say to me, "You are such a good artist. I can't draw like you." Now, if drawing skill is the parameter, then I must say there are much greater artists than me. But I am truly great artist to myself, and so you are to yourself. Art means creating, and if any form of creation makes you happy, then indeed you are a great artist. So please assign yourself some moment every day. It may be 5 minutes, but create something wonderful. It may be cooking, painting, singing, dancing, whatever art form you are comfortable with. But do something that make you happy, that you truly enjoy doing, and then see how these 5 minutes of time can change your life entirely. If you are new in this channel, just to let you know that I share art, bullet journal and positive living related videos every week. If you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I put any videos on my channel. So keep watching. Hey, thanks for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed already, I'll request you to please do subscribe to my channel. Also share this video to your friends and family if they love art and journaling, also interested in positive living. So until next time, stay happy, live creatively. Bye bye.